Hello everyone. We have a question where it says that the diagram shows the curve y is equals to 7 root x and the line y is equals to 6x plus k, where k is a constant. The curve and the line intersect at point A and B, and if we look at the graph, whatever the statement is written, it is very clear from the graph that the equation of the curve is y is equals to 7 root x, equation of the line y is equals to 6x plus k, and they both intersect at 2 points A and B as per the statement. And for the case where k is equals to 2, find the x coordinates of A and B. So basically for these points A and B, we just need to find the x coordinate. We don't have to go for finding the complete point, that means the y coordinate. We only just need the x coordinate. So first of all, just place the value of k as 2 in the equation of line, which was y is equals to 6x plus k, and after that, because A and B are the intersection point, the common point, so simply make the equation of the line equal to the equation of the curve. After making them, if you just look at the equation, they are not a quadratic equation, so definitely you have to convert them into a quadratic form by using the substitution. As you can see, you have root x over here and you have x over here. You can use any variable other than x and y because they are in the equation. So use any variable. As I have written a over here, and a is equal to this root x. That means it would become 7a. But what we have to write for x, for that we would simply adjust this a is equals to root x by squaring both sides, and this would become a square and this root x would become simply x. That means x is equals to a square, and then this 6x would become 6a square, and we would have 6a plus 2 is equal to 7a. That means 6a square plus 2 is equals to 7a. After rearrange them and then use the quadratic formula so that you could get the values of y. Use the values of a as 6, b as negative 7, c as positive 2 in the given quadratic formula and get the two values. And definitely because the quadratic formula was in the form of a, so the two values that we have got are basically the values of a, which was actually the substituted variable, which was a is equals to root x. So because a is equal to root x, so instead of a I am going to write root x is equals to 2 upon 3 and root x is equals to 1 upon 2. As you can see, root x, or in other words, we can also see that we also have a square is equals to x. So that means instead of this a, we can place them and square them. Whatever answer you will get would be the value of x. So x is equal to a square, as I have written over here. So x is equals to a square. A is 2 upon 3, 1 upon 2 that we have found over here. After squaring, we have got the two values of x, which are basically the x coordinates of a and b. From the graph, we can see that the x coordinate of a is smaller than the x coordinate of b. That means 1 upon 4, which is 0.25, and 4 upon 9, which is basically greater than 1 upon 4. So 1 upon 4 is the x coordinate of a and 4 upon 9 is the x coordinate of b.